Hi guys, welcome to Physics Clinic. So today we are going to be having another tutorials on Waec series on friction. So this is question 2. So this is a question. In the diagram illustrated, a body of mass m slides on an inclined plane. Show that the coefficient of friction between the surfaces in contact is tan theta. And this question came out in Waec 2012 number 1. So this is the diagram that we're working with. So this is the frictional force, this is the force sliding it down, this is the normal reaction, and this is the weight. So how do we solve this problem? This is a proof kind of question. So let's go to the solution. So the first thing to do is to draw the force diagram. Now to draw the force diagram, you see that this our weight is being replaced by two forces, which is mg cos theta and mg sin theta. Now what we are now going to do is to do the balancing. Now based on the horizontal balancing, we see that fp, which is the force sliding it down, should be equals to mg sin theta, which is the horizontal component of the weight. Then also for the vertical equilibrium, we see that normal reaction is equals to what? Mg cos theta. So with that being said and done, so we now look at the vertical balancing for horizontal forces. Now since this body is actually not moving, so the friction we are looking for is coefficient of static friction. So what it means is that if this body is in equilibrium, it means that this fp should be equal to what? The frictional force. So from our law of what? That is the last law, the fifth law of solid friction. Frictional force is equals to mu r. So the ask us to find, to prove that mu is equals to tan theta. So what it means is that fp, which is now equals to fr, is equals to mu mg cos theta. And from what we have said earlier on, fp is equals to mg sin theta, which is now equal to mu mg cos theta. So at this point, what we are going to do is divide both sides by what? Mg cos theta. So that is going to give us that mu is equals to what? Mg sin theta all over mg cos theta. So the mg, we cancel mg, so mu is equals to sin theta over cos theta. Now from trigonometry, sin theta over cos theta is going to give us what? Tan theta. So with this we have made to prove that what? The coefficient of friction between the surfaces in contact is actually equals to what? Tan theta. So thank you very much for this tutorial video. See you in the next class. Bye bye.